Welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm back on the trail today with the C24-1. The only thing I've changed this time, I've put on some super soft Kit tyres. Hopefully should give it a bit more grip on the trail. So let's get on with today's adventure. So as I mentioned earlier, put super soft tyres on this truck. Only thing I've done is I've glued them on purely because any slight rollover and they just come off the rim. It's really annoying when you're out on the trail, so I'd highly recommend gluing them on before you go anywhere. Let's see if the C24-1 can manage this tricky little line up these roots. It's up. Oh, and it's rolled. One thing I'm looking at doing is putting some wheel weights in, which should stop it from rolling over in future. Shouldn't have a problem getting up this steep muddy climb with the MN260 motor and the super soft tyres. There we go. That's a lot steeper than it looks, guys, so high chance of a rollover here. Nearly, and we're down. Go down backwards then. Let's see if we can get down these super slippery rocks without falling over. The answer will be no there. Give it another go. And no again. I'm going to give it one last go down these rocks. Because I actually did it off camera and I think I can do it again. So let's give it a go. Nice and steady. The slow control is really good on these trucks. Near enough. I'm going to try it down another set of slippery rocks. I think with wheel weights it would probably do it. So I think that's the next model on the list for this one. Well, it's on its wheels, so I'd say that counts. Yeah, it's just too many slippery leaves here. Try this line here over this mossy tree root. along this bank. Try not to fall off the edge. For the price of these little trucks, you can't go wrong. Coming at about $50, about £30, maybe a little bit more. If you get them from the WPL official store, the shipping is bang on, packaged really well. You don't get any problems with the shipping on them, and customer service is brilliant. Any problems, they'll sort it out straight away for you. See it go down this little step. I think it shouldn't be a problem. There has been a problem in the past with rolling over, but no problem there. So in this truck I'm actually using the electronics out of a WPL D12, because I've changed all that to aftermarket electronics, and it seems pretty good to me. Obviously the D12's got 2 settings for steering, 2 settings for the throttle. It does work on this, so obviously you can use the slower throttle for flat, and when you need a bit more power, press the button and away you go. Right then guys, just walking back to the car now. I'm all out of battery on the C24. I'll put a link in the description where you can get yourself one. Hopefully in the next few weeks I should be getting some upgrades for them. So I'll do some videos fitting all that and showing you how to do it. So yeah, if you like the video, give me a like, and I'd appreciate if you could subscribe as well. Thank you.